So hello everyone. So today I have brought up with a topic that is the doctors and types of doctors. So who are all types of doctors? So what are the kinds of doctors we have? We have to treat us. So doctors are the persons who are doctors. So doctors are the persons who treats our illness. So doctors are the persons who treats our illness. We specifically visit certain doctors at certain cases of diseases. So there will be different kinds of doctors for different diseases or different diseased organs in our body. So every doctors will be a specialist. Every doctor is a doctor, but every doctor will be called as a specialist in certain field. So the types of doctors are these specialist doctors in different fields. So for example, the doctors in the field of heart means heart is one of our organ. So it is one of the a specialized field for the medical students to study the illness and the diseases and the medicines about the heart. So as such, the doctors of we have kinds of doctors relating to our skin, bone, human skin, human bone, human brain. Doctors who treats only the illness that faced by the children's. So doctor of child, eyes, teeth, kidney. Doctor of women, and so doctor of animals, and such on. So every doctor will be having a knowledge to treat the diseases, but every doctor will be specialized to treat certain diseases. So such disease is called as the specialist doctors or the types of doctors. So doctors is a person who treat illness, or diseases, or who cures illness or diseases. So types of doctor. So these are some of the doctors kinds of doctor list I have brought today, and what doctor is called as, and why what kind of doctor is, and what the doctor is called as. So these are the kinds of specialized fields of doctors and what they are called as. So first, the doctor of heart. So doctor of heart is called as a cardiologist. What is cardiologist? So here, so the doctor who treat heart diseases, heart illness is called as a cardiologist. So cardiologist. Why the heart is called as a, in Greek word heart is called as a cardiac. So heart is an organ that it is the core organ of the human body that pumps blood to the whole human body. So doctor who is specialized is called as a cardiologist. So what is a cardiologist? So in Greek word, cardiac means the heart muscles. The heart muscles is called as a cardiac muscles. And ologist means someone who studies specific area or field. So ologist in Greek, so ologist means someone who studies a specific area or field is called as a cardiologist, means ologist. So who studies the cardiac problems like heart attack, heart nerve diseases, and so on. So such doctors are called as a cardiologist. Cardiologist is a person who is specialized in the field of heart diseases. Next, doctor of skin. So doctor of skin is called as a derma means skin. Dermatologist, the person derma who studies skin, hair, the diseases that is relating to skin, hair, nails, mucous membranes of the human skin is called as the dermatologist. Derma means skin. Hence the doctor who is specialized in skin diseases is called as a dermatologist. Next, doctor of bone. What is a doctor of bone? Orthopedic means ortho means bones. Orthopedic is a doctor who is specialized in treating bone diseases, that is musculoskeletal systems, bones, mucous, joints, ligaments and tendons that are present in our human body. So doctor who studies the diseases relating to our musculoskeletal system, our skeletal systems, and our bones, muscles, its joints and tendons and ligaments of the human body is called as a doctor of bone. Next, doctor of brain is called as a neuro means brain, so neurologist. So doctor who studies the brain, spinal cord, nerves. Our brain, who studies our brain, who studies our spinal cord, our nervous system or the neural system is called as a doctor of brain or doctor of brain, that is neurologist. Next, doctor of child is called as a pediatrician. The doctor of child is called as a pediatrician. So this doctor means he studies the health of the infants, means newly born infants. Infants means children from 0 to 3 months. Newly born infants, childrens and young adults means adolescents. So the doctor who studies the health of infants, children and adolescents is called as a pediatrician. Next, doctor of eyes. The doctor who studies the disorders or the diseases of eyes is called as a ophthalmologist. Next, doctor of teeth. We all know doctor of teeth is called as a dentist who treats the oral illness, oral health, teeth disorders. So such doctors are called as dentist. Doctor of kidneys. So doctor of kidneys, so the person, the doctor who studies kidneys and its disorders is called as a nephrologist. So doctor of kidney is called as nephrologist. Next, surgery. We all know every doctor who is specialized in certain studies is called as a surgeon. So doctor of surgery, so who is specifically studies the surgical field is called as the surgeon. Doctor of surgery is called as a surgeon. Next, doctor of cancer. Cancer means oncologist, means he specifically studies and cures the cancerous diseases in our body. So he is called as oncologist. Next, doctor of mind. Doctor of mind does the person who studies the mind disturbances, means mental disturbances or mental disorders. So such person who gives medicine for such person is called as psychiatrist, not the psychologist, but psychologist. So is a person who counsels the mental disorders or disturbances. So doctor of mind is a psychiatrist who treats mental illness or who gives medicines, who gives or who prescribes the mental medicines for the mental illness is called as a psychiatrist. Next, doctor of liver. Doctor of liver who studies the liver diseases is called as a hepatologist. Hepatologist is called as the doctor of liver. Next, doctor of women. A doctor of women is called as a gynecologist, a female reproductive system who studies the gynecologist is a person who studies female reproductive system is called as a doctor of women, the gynecologist. Next, doctor of stomach. The person who studies the gastrointestinal functions is called as a gastroenterologist. So is called as the gastroenterologist. So who treats the organ of our digestive system. So specifically his stomach means it is the digestive system. So doctor who is specified to study and treat the stomach is called as a gastroenterologist. Doctor of ear. So doctor of ears, so specifically called such doctors as ENT doctors. So doctors of ears is the person who studies the ears, nose and so ears, nose is called as the otolaryngologist. What is otolaryng? And teeth is called as a otolaryngologist. Next, otolaryngologist is a doctor who studies the ears and its related diseases. Next, doctor of animals is called as the person who treats the illness of animals is called as a veterinarian. Veterinarian. So veterinarian is the doctor of animals. Veterinarian. So these are the some of the information relating to the doctors and the kinds of doctors that we visit to cure our diseases. Hope you all have understood. Thank you.